Hi! In this section, we focus on how researchers can cope with pressures and demands coming from different directions. So far, we have talked about society's need for research knowledge and the different possibilities for researchers to interact with policymakers. As the course has shown, the world of interaction is complex, and impact is not necessarily seen in the short or even medium term. At the same time, researchers, especially in the early stages of their careers, can be under a lot of pressure to promote their own scientific careers, not to mention teaching and building up pedagogical skills. It can sometimes feel as if instead of pursuing one career, one is developing 3 different broad areas of expertise and at least 2 different professional networks at the same time. We believe that the most important thing to remember in impact work is that researchers should not act alone while trying to enhance the impact of their research. The channels of interaction and their impact will be fragmented if everyone interacts alone through the few channels familiar to them. We believe that it is more productive and convenient to work with colleagues and identify existing networks and platforms for interaction. There are already many. We also stress the importance of identifying your strengths and interests. It is easier to start planning and implementing interaction when you have the motivation and skills already in place. This serves as a good route to learning something new and also helps to lower the threshold for future interaction occasions. Of course, there are differences between disciplines in terms of who are the relevant interaction partners and how to enhance your impact. The way in which you can or should direct your resources is influenced by your discipline. Fortunately, the diversity of practices offer researchers a wide range of ways to interact with policymakers and other stakeholders. It is useful for the researcher to be aware of the range of possibilities such as means of scientific communication, the usefulness of business cooperation, or the impact of research-policymaker relationships. However, this does not mean that researcher should do everything. Rather, it means being strategic in choosing which ways of interaction suit you and trying them out. So, in this part of the course, I would like you to focus on the question, which means and pathways of interaction feel meaningful for you, and also who could you work with. So, that's it. See you again next time.